today I'm going to put together the E1700 stunt drone builder. Okay, Sky Viper. This is courtesy of Brian over at True Drone Reviews. I'll put a link in the description below to his channel. Check him out. This looks like this is going to be a pretty fun little project. Not only do you put the drone together, you have to put the transmitter together. And there's even an app you can download that'll guide you through the installation process. But I'm going to try and wing it. It says this thing can go 25 miles an hour, 8 one-touch stunts, 1 stick flying, flight assistance. Yeah, this is a pretty in-depth deal. So, you get stickers to put on your quad when you're done. It's got 3 sets of instructions. You got the building instructions, it's 1 set. Then you have the transmitter instructions to put together is another set. And then you have the binding process and transmitter controls. So there's quite a bit to this thing. So I have not gone over these, so I'm going to go from scratch, and I am going to speed up the video. But we might admit, I struggled a little bit. First thing I struggled with was getting the motor wires to stay kaput in the arms. There's a little tab you're supposed to snap them into. So yeah, I struggled with that for a while. Then after that, getting these little arm covers on the back, they just snap in place, but when you snap one in and then you go to snap the other, it wants to pop the other one off. So I got 2 of them in, and then when I went to snap the 3rd one on, it snapped, the other one would pop off, so I had to fight that. So I think I got it all together, as far as I can tell. So, oh, I bet I got this thing on backwards. Dang it. I think I got this battery bay on backwards. I think I do. So I'm going to fix that, switch that out, and then I'm ready to put on, or to work on the controller. Put the controller together. Okay, let me switch this battery bay around. Okay, I had the battery bay on right, so I'm going to get ready to put the controller together. It has a place for 3 AA batteries, but look at that. They wired a JST connection to where you can actually charge this with the LiPo. So that's what I'm going to do. I haven't seen them come like that before, so that's a good little touch. I like that. Alright, so I'm going to start putting this together. Okay, I have to make a correction. This is not to power the transmitter. It's the power connection between the batteries and the board. So you don't have to solder anything, they just made a JST connection. Most of these leads are soldered on the board, but for this application, they're just including this because it's easier, you just plug it in. So you do need batteries. Okay, I think I got it all together now. Let's see if the transmitter works. Okay, transmitter's working. Let's see if the quad works. Okay, lights on the quad works. So, in theory, since the quad power's on, transmitter power's on, we should be able to fly it. I have not read any of the flying directions or anything, or what all this can do. I'll do all that in a separate video, but let's just see if we can get it to hover real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. Alright, hold on. Alright. So I don't know if you're supposed to do one or the other first. We'll just see how it goes. Quad plugged in. Okay. These buttons right here don't feel like I got them in there right. We're going to try well, never mind. See if it'll do a land. Yep, I got it right. Okay, let's do automatic launch. Huh. I'm not going to go into the higher rates right here. Seems like it hovers a little bit, just need to trim it. little touchy. Seems to fly pretty good. I was having a hard time getting it trimmed in. I'm going to set her down. Look at these. Look at these trim buttons real quick so I can figure out what I'm doing. Okay. Forward and back. Left, right. I hope those two are yaws. Okay, for some reason I have the altitude hold off. Maybe auto's altitude hold. Yeah, I gotta set that's better on the yaw. Looks like I got her trimmed in a little bit better. Whoa. Yeah, this is in first speed and it's a little zippy. So yeah, this might be pretty good outdoor flyer. I don't know. It is light. I will say that. It is light. But hey, it flies. Okay. Now, without reading the directions, I'm thinking the auto is altitude hold, the manual is manual flying, launch. These are your two yaw trims, front and back trim, left and right trim. I haven't done the stunt button, I just kept it in speed 1. So, here you go. This would be a good project for father and son. No soldering, just plug it in, plug screws together and snaps together. So yeah, this is kind of cool. So I want to thank again Brian over at True Drone Reviews for sending this to me. Yeah, it was a nice way to spend the afternoon on a cold, snowy day outside. So, alright, there you go. Drone Pool, signing out.